If you study for hours and still forget everything, the problem isn't your intelligence, it's your method. Most students waste time rereading notes, highlighting pages, and hoping information sticks. It doesn't. Top students don't study longer, they study smarter. In this video, I'll give you 20 science-backed study strategies you can use immediately to learn faster, remember longer, and cut your study time in half. No motivation talk, no theories, just practical techniques that actually work. Watch till the end, because even applying 3 of these tips can completely change how you learn. Let's get started. Tip 1. Active recall. Active recall means testing yourself instead of rereading. Your brain learns by pulling information out, not by looking at it again. After studying a topic, close your book and write down everything you remember. Then check your notes and repeat. For example, after reading a biology chapter, explain the topic out loud without looking. If it feels hard, that's learning happening. Tip 2. Spaced repetition. Spaced repetition means reviewing information over time instead of cramming. Your brain forgets quickly unless you remind it at the right moments. Review new material the next day, then a few days later, then a week later. For example, review vocabulary today, tomorrow, in 3 days, and next week to lock it into long-term memory. Tip 3. The Feynman technique. If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it yet. Teaching forces your brain to organize knowledge clearly. Study a topic, then explain it like you're teaching a child using simple words. If you get stuck, you've found your weak spot. Go back and fix it. Tip 4. Memory Palace, the method of loci. Your brain remembers places better than facts. The Memory Palace uses familiar locations to store information. Imagine placing ideas along a route you know, like rooms in your house. When you mentally walk through the route, the information comes back in order. Tip 5. Dual coding. Your brain remembers pictures better than words alone. Dual coding means combining text with visuals. Use diagrams, arrows, symbols, and simple drawings in your notes. Even rough sketches help your brain create stronger memory connections. Tip 6. Eliminate distractions. Distractions destroy focus faster than anything else. Every interruption resets your concentration. Put your phone in another room, block social media, and clear your desk. A focused 30 minutes beats 3 distracted hours every time. Tip 7. Pomodoro technique. Your brain works best in short bursts. Study for 25 minutes with full focus, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. This keeps your energy high and prevents burnout. Tip 8. Study at peak times. Your brain has high energy and low energy hours. Studying during your peak time makes learning faster and easier. Track when you feel most focused during the day. Schedule your hardest subjects during those hours, not when you're tired. Tip 9. Time blocking. Time blocking means scheduling study like an appointment. Instead of "I'll study later," decide exactly when and what you'll study. For example, math, 4 to 5 p.m. This removes procrastination and increases efficiency. Tip 10. The 80-20 rule. Not all topics matter equally. Most exam questions come from a small portion of the material. Identify high-impact topics using past questions and syllabi. Master the most important concepts first, then review the rest. Tip 11. Practice testing. Testing isn't just assessment, it's learning. Answering questions strengthens memory more than rereading. Use past questions and quizzes without notes. The struggle to recall information is what makes it stick. Tip 12. Interleaving. Don't study one topic for hours non-stop. Mix related subjects or problem types in one session. This forces your brain to choose the right method, not just repeat patterns. It feels harder, but produces stronger understanding. Tip 13. Ask why and how.
Memorizing facts isn't enough. Ask why something is true and how it works. This builds deeper understanding and long-term memory. If you can explain cause and effect, you truly know the topic. Tip 14. Mind mapping. Your brain thinks in connections, not lists. Mind maps visually organize ideas around a central topic. Use keywords, branches, colors, and symbols. One good mind map can replace pages of notes. Tip 15. SQ3R reading method. Don't read textbooks passively. Survey the chapter, ask questions, read actively, recite from memory, then review. This turns reading into an active learning process. You remember more in less time.
Tip 16. Chunking. Your brain can only hold a few items at once. Chunking groups information into meaningful pieces. Break big topics into small sections and master them one by one. Small chunks reduce overwhelm and boost recall. Tip 17. Eat the frog. Do the hardest subject first. Your mental energy is highest early in the day. If you start with easy work, you waste your best focus. Finish the hardest task first, and everything else feels easier. Tip 18. Sleep and review. Sleep is essential for memory. Your brain stores information while you sleep. Review important material briefly before bed, and then sleep well. The next day, you'll remember more with less effort. Tip 19. Multi-source learning. One explanation may not be enough. Use textbooks, videos, and different teachers for tough topics. Hearing ideas explained differently helps them click. Just don't replace practice with endless watching. Tip 20. Study rituals and rewards. Motivation is unreliable. Habits are powerful. Study at the same time, same place, with the same routine. Reward yourself for consistency, not perfection. Over time, studying becomes automatic.
Now you have 20 powerful strategies, but knowledge without action changes nothing. Don't try to use all 20 at once. Pick 3 tips, apply them this week, and build from there. The students who win aren't smarter, they execute consistently. Small improvements done daily compound into massive results. If this video helped you, subscribe to Life Impact TV for more proven strategies on learning, productivity, and personal growth. And comment below, which 3 tips are you starting with? Remember, you're not studying just to pass exams. You're building the discipline, skills, and mindset for your future. Life Impact TV, shaping the minds of future achievers.